Hello students, I am Rojamani, HOD, Department of Computer Science. Today I would like to explain about SQL operators. Objective: an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. SQL operators: an operator is a reserved word or a character. SQL operators are reserved keywords used in the where class of a SQL statement to perform arithmetic operations, logical operations, and comparison operations. Operators acts as conjunction in SQL statements to fulfill multiple conditions in a statement. Types of SQL operators. Generally, there are three types of operators: SQL arithmetic operators, SQL comparison operators, SQL logical operators. First one, arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, plus symbol used for addition. Add values on either side of the operator used to. Next one, subtraction. Subtraction operator used to subtract the right hand side value from the left hand side value. Next one, star. Star used for multiplication. Division symbol. Division symbol used for divide the left hand side value by the right hand side value. Next, modulus. Modulus operator divides the left hand side value by the right hand side value and returns the remainder. Next one, comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare the column data with specific values in a condition. Comparison operators are also used along with the select statement to filter data based on specific conditions. These operators return the Boolean value in order to handle the expressions. These are combined with where class of the SQL query, which are used to retrieve, update, delete selected content of the table based on the condition. Some of the examples are equal sign, equal to, used to check if the value of both operands are equal or not. If they are equal, then it returns true. Next, greater than. Greater than returns true if the value of left operand is greater than the right operand. Less than. Less than is less than the right operand if yes returns true. Greater than or equal, used to check if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand and returns true if the condition is true. Less than or equal to returns true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. Not equal to, used to check if values of operands are equal or not. If they are not equal, then it returns true. Not greater than, check whether the left operand is not greater than the right operand. If yes, then returns true. Not less than, returns true if the left operand is not less than the right operand. Next one, logical operators. Logical operators, all used to compare a specific value to all other values in a set. Any compares a specific value to any of the values present in a set. In used to compare a specific value to the literal values mentioned between searches for values within the range mentioned, and allows the user to mention multiple conditions in a where clause, or combines multiple conditions in a where clause. Not, a negate operator used to reverse the output of the logical operator. Exist, used to search for the rows present in the table. Like operator compares a pattern using wildcard operators. Summary. In this video discussed about operators. Operator definition, types of operators like arithmetic operators, comparison operators and logical operators. Thank you, students.